What's up, C Squad?
This is Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Daddy's Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a shoe. Now that it's spooky season, you know, there's one thing I know for sure is that when it comes around Halloween time, Nike's going to do something to give us some Halloween flair. And one thing I think that it comes up every year, and it's kind of either you love it or you hate it, is the topic of Halloween candy, and it is candy corn. So today we are talking about the Nike SB Sweet Tooth, aka the candy corn SB Dunk. This guy.
Oh wow,
The sweet
candy corn.
Candy corn SB Dunk.
Look
man.
delicious.
Does it?
Does it? That's the question.
Does it? Does it?
Is the candy corn good or is it bad?
Yeah, let's see that, and that's in the eye of the beholder. But before we get into the shoe,
Somebody liked it.
some people love candy corn, and some
like
people
this
hate
candy
it.
corn right here.
True, somebody bought it. It's not mine. Shout out to Be More Sneakers, my guy. But before we get into the shoe and this review, do us a favor, hit that notification bell so you can stay on top of our content when we drop it. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back.
Appreciate you.
On the way to 5K and beyond.
5 bands. Let's go.
Absolutely. So, got Nigel back in the building. We're talking about this shoe today. And
Off my vacation.
that's right. Off
So,
vacation.
As you can see here, we talk about this candy corn shoe. And what we're going to decide today is if it was really worth biting.
Somebody did take a bite out of the
took a
shoe.
nice little bite out of here, as you can see.
So yeah, man, the Sweet Tooth Nike SB, they basically just hit you with this, you know, bring in candy corn. I mean, the color, the gradient.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'll say, you know, I saw a picture of this shoe like leading up to the release, and immediately was like, nah, man, this is terrible. Like, no, thank you.
Yeah, me too.
But in hand, it's not horrible. Like, the color is a little more subdued than I thought it would be. All over, you got this like kind of super smooth leather. It almost feels like candy corn, where it's almost like candy corn has that kind of wax smooth feel.
Yeah.
Right? Like this leather doesn't have any kind of like grain to it.
Roughness to it or anything.
Not at all.
Straight smooth.
Straight smooth leather. And you getting a white gradient to this orange to this yellow in the back.
They really did just make it look straight up like candy corn. I mean,
Like for real.
I mean, look at this. And I feel like they did the high top on purpose too.
Versus a low.
If they did the low, it wouldn't have made it look like a triangle.
It wouldn't hit as
They're trying to make it look like it's got that kind of
that shape
that
to the
angle
candy
to
corn.
it. So you could just
That's
so
a
you
good
could
point.
really do what
And
this
look.
man did right here and just bite it.
Right. You can just do that.
Just do that. There you go. That's straight up a candy corn.
And the shoe comes with a gang of laces.
Mad laces.
Yeah, so you got black, you got orange and white.
I feel like you'd have to put like either the whites or like the oranges in. If you put the oranges on, it would blend in with the middle section of the shoe right here.
Yeah, the orange, I think probably I would go with that. Like my man put the white in, and the white has yellow kind of aglets, like tips on the laces.
Yeah, that's cool.
And the black has orange.
Orange aglets.
But wait, there's more. This actually comes with 4 laces.
My goodness.
Yeah, it has it has orange laces with yellow tips, but it also comes with orange laces with I'm guessing this is orange tips in here. I don't want to unlace them. Where's the tip? There we go. Orange laces with orange tips. So yeah, you can go
So you can really mix
either
and match
one.
however you feel like.
Orange and yellow or orange and orange, white or black.
Okay, so
That's a
they're
lot.
giving us a lot of options with these.
Yeah.
Can't really be mad at it because I mean, to each his own. You know, you got free will with how you want your shoelaces to be. Because
True
you
indeed.
can really put any color on with these now.
That's what I was thinking. Like, what would
What?
you wear this with?
That's what I'm saying. Like black, yellow, orange, white.
All right, so before we get into whether or not you like the shoe, do you like candy corn? What's your thoughts on candy corn, Nigel?
My thoughts on candy corn is, I don't know. I feel like candy corn is kinda like, you gotta just eat one and you get that like that sweetness.
Super sweet.
That super sweetness, and it kinda just like turns me off and just makes me want to like
You don't want any more?
I can't eat more than like 2 candy corns at a time, man.
Yeah,
Because it's that, and when I eat a few of them,
yeah.
if I eat more than like a couple,
yeah.
then I can't stop eating them.
It's weird, right?
Right, it's weird.
It is.
But I don't want to eat candy corn though.
It's like, yeah, I don't love them.
Mm-hmm.
I like them just enough that I'm if they're there, I'll eat one.
Right.
And if I eat more than a couple, you're right. Then I've eaten like a little handful.
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm like, these are horrible.
Right.
And it's like literally just sugar.
Straight up just sugar.
Just like maybe with a little waxy something keeping it all together.
And why does it look like this?
Right, with the colors. To look like corn. And you know what? I've
corn.
heard and what I've seen before, you take them all, flip them to like the top. Like each one looks like the corn knobs off of a corn of a car.
Yeah, nah,
So that's the candy
right.
corn.
Because like the bottom, how it looks like the outside of the corn, like the little, what are those corn squares called? The little pieces, the individual tiles
like-
on corn.
I don't know. Corn knobs?
Corn knobs.
Corn or nibs? What do you call them?
Corn.
Kernels. They're kernels.
Those
right?
Those
I mean,
are kernels.
think about popcorn, right? You get the bottle of popcorn. All of those are corn kernels.
But is
They're
that
just dried.
is that what the corn little
The candy
cells
corn?
are?
Yeah, like each one little piece.
Those are kernels.
I would think, right?
I
What do
mean,
y'all think?
it
Do y'all
could
know?
be.
We're talking about the anatomy of corn.
I mean, it has to be. Like,
I think
where
each
else would a
piece-
kernel come from?
Yeah, it's the kernel.
Yeah,
The kernel of corn.
Right.
All right.
So it's gotta be that.
Let's talk about this shoe, man.
Okay.
So this shoe.
So then these are just kernels.
the shoe is
The candy corn.
candy corn is like a corn kernel.
Candy cornel. Candy kernel.
Candy kernels. Candy cornels. these sweet tooth shoes, what they should call them sweet tooth, because candy corn, man, your teeth will be hurting. But the details on this, check this out. They put some like nice little details. So somebody did take a bite out of this one, right on the top.
Mm-hmm. Somebody's feeling way too hungry.
Right. That's a big mouth though, for real. That's like a whole. Look at that bite mark.
Ah! Nah, yeah, they really bit the whole shoe. Like,
But the details on this, they giving you some warning, man.
oh, they got the inside the tabs here.
Yeah, so this on the flap on one side is a warning.
Do not take candy from strangers.
Right.
Is that what yours says?
Yeah, they're the same.
That's hard.
That's the same.
Caution tape on there.
Yeah, and then on the Nike
God.
SB, look at the tongue tag.
On the tongue, yeah. You see the inside too?
Right.
Oh, what's on the? Oh, shoot. Oh, they got the candy corn. Oh, no, that's kind of hard.
Warning.
You
What
see
does it say?
how the candy corn is the like the eye in the Nike SB?
Yeah, that's pretty
tough.
slick, man.
And the other side got the toothache.
Yeah,
That's the sweet tooth right there. Yeah.
What does that actually say? Can you read that?
Warning: do not take candy from strangers.
They give you the Halloween candy that people either love or hate,
Mm-hmm.
with some warnings. Don't take candy from a baby.
Don't take candy from
Take
strangers.
candy from a baby. Don't take candy from strangers.
Don't do that either, because
Yeah.
that's mean, bro. Why would you do that? Don't take candy from babies or strangers.
Exactly. And on the insoles inside, you got candy corn in there with Nike SB.
You ever take 2 candy corns and put them on your canine teeth and act like you a candy corn vampire?
Have I done that?
Candy
Probably.
corn Dracula.
I probably have done that at some point.
I bet we do that. That's a Halloween like tradition.
To be like a vampire with candy corn teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Wow, that's definitely bad for your teeth, though. That's like cavity galore.
Absolutely.
Just covered in
I mean,
sugar.
you know,
Sugar
and that's a
bad.
warning. When you go out for Halloween, you get a bunch of candy corn this holiday season.
Mhm.
Brush your teeth at night
Brush
before you go
your
to bed.
teeth,
That's
yeah.
a lot of sugar, because that will give you the cavity creeps.
Yeah, I need to go trick or treating, bro.
You ready now?
Bro, trick or treating was really just so free. Like, how do you go outside and just come back home with bucket loads of candy?
I know.
That's so tough.
For free.
For free.
Like just
walk on
open the door.
Like,
people
yo,
just, here
hey,
you go.
hey, bro, what's up? You know it's candy night.
Happy Halloween, maybe.
Happy Halloween.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro, what's up?
It's candy night. That's what it is.
It's candy night.
Trick or treat. Give me a piece of candy. Thank you.
Anyway, man, white midsole. They give you a black outsole, because candy corn does have like black at the bottom or something. Or
Candy
no?
corn has no black on it. They just did that
No?
on the shoe, I think.
Oh, it's like white, orange, yellow, and I thought there was
Candy
like
corn.
maybe not. I don't know what I'm
Candy
thinking.
corn, just this is candy corn, like right here.
Just that.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with the black part.
Uh-uh.
Maybe I'm thinking the bag that it comes in.
The bag?
Let's go with that. Hey, man. I don't know. That's all I got.
I honestly don't know what a candy corn container looks like.
They just come in a bag, as far as I know. Like a
I'm
plastic.
just always taking
just show
candy
up.
corn from people.
I don't know.
Never
Anyway,
bought it.
man, these shoes dropped. They did there's supposed to be a scratch thing that they were doing for the release of the shoe on the sneakers app, like an image. But then it just turned into, it just opened up and you could get in there and get the shoe if you wanted it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't know. Did you cop these?
Mm-hmm.
You know, is this a good release for Halloween? Where do you rate it? Hit us in the comments. Let me know. Where do I rate this shoe? I mean, I love Nike SBs. I like the highs. Candy corn, I'm one of the ones that doesn't love candy corn. Mm-hmm. So this shoe, I'm gonna give this like a 6. I'm giving it wasn't a cop for me. Like, if it was available, I'd pass.
Yeah.
It's a cool like concept and what they did.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate the effort. I don't like candy corn like that, and
therefore
I do not like candy corn shoes.
Okay, that's understandable.
Hey, if you like it, then I love it for you.
Yeah.
What about you? What do you think of the candy corn shoe?
I'm really gonna be around your ballpark and give these Johns like a 5.
5. Whew, they really didn't do so hot in our
I'm
household.
not feeling. I don't like these, bro.
It's okay.
Like, what you mean candy corn shoes?
Yeah, like this could be almost like you make it red with a gradient like this, and it'd be like Ronald McDonald shoes. Right.
Exactly.
And I'm good.
That's why it's a 5, because I don't want Ronald McDonald shoes.
Right. Well, candy corn shoes. But hey, again, if you like it, I love it for you.
Mm-hmm.
It's festive. It's Halloween. Like,
put it
to
on,
wear them at Halloween time.
Yeah,
that's cool.
You could be some candy corn and just put these shoes on and match.
Yeah. Or are you candy corny?
You are for that.
All right, fine. All right, that's all I got, man. Hit me on Instagram. Let us know what you think of the shoes in the comments and if you cop. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.